To week 5. This week we're going to talk about ethical dilemmas in the classroom and framework for ethical decision making. And this week's learning outcomes include articulate a personal understanding of character and the criteria used to make moral decisions, analyze and critique values, virtues, and moral dilemmas using ethical theory frameworks, develop an awareness of the ethical challenges in everyday lives and school community. So this week you have 2 videos to watch in addition to this overview. The first is the teacher ethics video, and the second one, would you sacrifice one person to save 5? A little bit of a timely topic. A framework for ethical decision making. This is for you to read. To access that, click on the link. There you go. This week's Christian message is from Matthew chapter 5, verses 44 and 45. And this week's discussion board, trolleyology. After reviewing the video on the concept of trolleyology, how can you apply this concept to an academic setting? Educators are responsible for all students' needs, including physical, emotional, academic, and so on. When looking at this sum of needs, it becomes clear that tough decisions need to be made due to time, resources, funding, etc. How would you, as an educator, navigate this ethical dilemma? And assignment 3 is due by June 14th, just before midnight. So you are going to write a 2 to 3 page paper reflecting about the process of making an ethical decision using the framework for ethical decision making. And remember that you need to use scholarly references and use APA format. So in written format, answer each of the 10 guiding questions within the framework. And you can use this rubric to determine what you need to do to get the maximum number of points. A reminder that the writing studio is available if you would like to have review and feedback before you submit your final paper. The tasks for week 5 are summarized, as always, in the gray box.